10. I just had a thought.
What?
You know how we see old people holding hands?
Yeah, that's probably
It's not
why
'cause they love
do
each
it.
other so they don't fall over.
Our way to the Mount Paris dam wall. It's an old ruin, old relic. There's been one huge storm come through here. Heaps of trees are down. Oh, that's so spectacular. Wow.
It's the oldest dam in Australia. Built by Sydney workers using wheelbarrows.
My goodness. Gosh, this is pretty good. Oh, that's the end of Wineglass Bay over there. Oh, it must be, yeah.
Can you see the wee baby down there? See, look at the wee
Oh my
baby.
God, look at it. Looky, looky, little bubba. We're really in the wilderness.
We want to.
It's day use. This, isn't it?
Mum it on a bike.
Just a babe. This is what we do around the campsite.
Take on.
Spend our time. No idea what I'm making. A little shop. What are you doing? You got show us photograph. You need a bra. Oh my God. I've left the little township of Tribuna and we are heading out to that island right there in the background. Loving Tasmania.
Okay, so we can just go from there to there, not out.
And she said to try and hug the coastline because it gets a bit mucky in there, but I think we go up around. Oh, well, that's where all the main everyone's going to go there first. I think
We go
there
the
first.
opposite, do the opposite to what everyone else does.
We are now on Maria Island, which is an old convict settlement. And it's pretty spectacular, like everything here in this country. I'm going to get my jacket out because I reckon it's going to rain. Oh, sorry. Frenchie's Woolshed, 1930. What? reckon.
We're all good now, aren't we? Go.
And it's a picture of a blubber. I think that's so good. I'm gonna get one.
Of course you are.
I gotta buy something from everywhere, Shell.
You do.
My whole van's just full of trinkets from everywhere.
I can honestly say we don't go anywhere other than campgrounds, like where we spent the last couple of nights when there was snack shops, but Joe doesn't buy some.
Hang on, I haven't bought the fish out yet.
Oh, we've got fish as well.
Fish is
Oh.
close by.